What is going on, my piece? Your boy Versatile is right back with another video, back to show you guys my dbrand scan I got likewise for my Samsung Galaxy Buds. As you see, it's a small strip here. It's nothing big, nothing super fancy. This is the carbon, I believe it's carbon gray now that I think about it. And so I got this for the right ear. I believe this is what the R stands for. And so it literally just applies right to the ear, to the outside piece right here. And so hopefully it doesn't interfere with touching the touchpad, you know, for controls and everything, but we're gonna find out for sure. And so it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. I don't know what the rest of this is for, unless it's for in here, but I don't think so. So it looks like you just peel this piece off right here. We're gonna hyperlapse right now. And there you have it. After you guys saw me kind of struggling how to figure out how to put it on, I have a feeling this might fall off. I mean, it was 95 cents, I believe, which you know, I could eat, but I think I have faith that it'll stay on. But it kind of gives my right earbud just a little bit of a different look, you know. I'll put it back in place there, and bow, just one that's different, so that way I can easily find the two. Now, I would imagine you could place this other one on the left earbud as well. It's like I really want to. I just don't know what the rest of these are for. If I take this off, let me see here. See, I don't know what this is for. So I don't know if this is for, it's clearly not for the case, right? So I don't know what this exactly is for, but it looks like it actually might apply to the outside of it. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to apply right here. Oh. So this is actually what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to encapsulate the entire top half of the earbud. So let me go ahead and put it in real quick, because I know it's already connected to my OnePlus that you guys just saw me apply the skin for right here. This beautiful phone right here. Just and the way the OnePlus logo still just stands out with the skin. It everything works. Oh my god. Okay. Everything still works. Everything still works. So being able to tap on everything still works for these. Yeah, I like it. It's not too bad. I don't mind the gray. Maybe I'll try to rearrange the way this looks right here. Maybe I'll try, but I mean, it looks fine to me. It's no big deal. In here, I just have to try to make sure I kind of lay down correctly right near the mic piece. But all the touch controls still work. And maybe it's just gonna be a little bit of black regardless, just because. So I'm not going to, you know, fuss about that. But otherwise, now I know about, well, now I'll be able to easily identify these two regardless if I lose one or not. And it's a nice clean look. It's a nice clean look. So you guys let me know what you guys think, whether or not you skinned out your buds, whether they're Galaxy Buds or whatnot. Now it's a nice little look. I want to get a left one. I guess you could say the right one was a tryout, so that maybe this one I'll do a black or red, you know, just to kind of continue my little theme of this beautiful color here, or pattern I should say. Maybe I'll get another one for the left one. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys appreciate it and enjoyed it. I've been enjoying these Galaxy Buds. Your boy Versatile is signing out, and until the next video, yeah, you thought I was gonna say it again. Wait for it.